Happy Independence Day, everyone. In this video, we're gonna learn about scopes in Python. So, there are currently two types of scopes, local and global. So, we're gonna start first of all with global. So, what's a global? So, it's something like which can be accessed by anyone. Let's say our Earth. It's global for every country. So, every country can access and utilize Earth, but there is local scope like a country's state. Let's say for Haryana in India. So it's a local. It can't be accessed by China, Russia, US or anywhere else. So global can be accessed by anyone. Now local can't be accessed outside the scope. So let's look at some examples to understand better. So let's say I have a scope named function and I have same variable num equals to 40 here, and I print num, and then I print num here too, and let's just write here num to differentiate them, and when I run it gives me 30. Okay, it's fine. So it's accessing the global variable here. But when I write scope here and let's see, it gives me 40 because it's accessing the local variable here. So the hierarchy of accessing is, first of all, they go and find if there is any local variable, then it will use that. If not, then it will use the global variable. Let me just remove this, and now let's see, it gives me 30. So it's accessing. So first of all, it's looking for a local variable, but it couldn't find it, so it's accessing the global variable. In case I want to make this local variable as a global variable, so what I can do is I can just write global, and then I can change the value. Let's say I write 40 here, and as you can see, both have been changed. This one also returns 40 and this one too, and as you can imagine, this is now global variable, so this has replaced this variable. So it's a bit confusing first time, but watch this video again and again and you will understand it more better. So what's this doing is, this is replacing this local variable into a global variable. So this will, first of all, this will store this value 30 here, and this will manipulate it and change it into 40, and then it will print that value, this 40, and this value is also changed because the global variable has been changed. So that's local and global variable. I hope you have understood. So like, share and subscribe, and see you in the next one.